I'm going to share a very simple 3-day low-fat vegan meal plan with you. This is for anyone currently doing the free 30-day weight loss challenge on my channel that wants more structure, because I know some people just want to be told exactly what to eat to lose weight. Again, this is all oil-free and low calorie density. Oil is almost 4,000 calories per pound. So, if weight loss is your goal, you want to make sure that you're not using any oily dressings or any packaged food items that contain oil. You can copy this exact meal plan or just use it as a framework and swap out certain things. I will put everything in the description box of this video so you can just copy and paste it. Day one, breakfast is oatmeal with berries, unsweetened plant milk, cinnamon, and if you're weaning yourself off of sugar, you can use stevia or monk fruit sweetener temporarily and then slowly reduce the amount of that over the next few weeks. I use frozen fruit because I find it to be convenient. For lunch, we are going to make a rice bowl with steamed sweet potato and kale and half a cup of black beans. For seasoning, you can add lemon juice, or what I've done is drizzle balsamic glaze over it and then mix it all together. When giving up added salt, I recommend making sure that you have lots of spices at home. Some of my favorites are onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, etc. Also, lemon and lime are great. For dinner, a big salad with baked or air fried potatoes or sweet potato chunks, and chickpeas, lentils, or black beans. I recommend adding some sweetness like mango chunks to your salad or apple slices to make it a little more interesting, since we're not using a rich, creamy salad dressing. Just a little balsamic vinegar and lemon juice. Snack on fruit in the day. No need to limit portion sizes of fruit as long as it's not dried fruit or fruit juice, but whole, fresh, or frozen fruit. Day two, breakfast is baked sweet potatoes with cinnamon, apple slices, either sauteed with water in a frying pan or steamed in a steamer, and then just sprinkle cinnamon all over them. It basically tastes like the filling of an apple pie. Super delicious. Lunch is pasta with broccoli and spinach. You can use an oil-free tomato sauce, or if you have the time to make sauce from scratch, I shared my mushroom creamy sauce in a previous video in this weight loss challenge playlist. Dinner is a sweet potato black bean chili over rice. I have a video from a couple of years ago where I share this recipe, and I'll link it in the description box. It's very filling and it's a great dish to meal prep. Just double the recipe and make enough so that you have lunches or dinners for the next few days. Also, I find that non-vegans really like this meal as well. So if you're cooking for your family, they might also like to try this. It has a hickory flavor because of the liquid smoke, and I like it a lot. I've been making it for years. Day three, breakfast is old-fashioned oats with mango and cinnamon and a bit of unsweetened plant milk. Lunch is a smoky corn hummus with no oil fries. This is a filling meal, and I know it might just seem like a snack, like just having hummus and something to dip it in, but it's actually quite filling because you're going to be using an entire can of chickpeas. I will put the recipe in the description box of this video. And another option, if you are having a hard time fitting greens into your meals, is that you can add a handful of baby spinach to this as well and just blend it all up with the chickpeas. Dinner is a rice salad with lentils, chickpeas, cucumber, and onion. And again, we are going to be snacking on fruit. Unless you're having a tough time getting the last 10 pounds off, then you can also make smoothies. And again, I recommend adding a big handful of dark leafy greens to your smoothies and using frozen bananas, which creates a thick consistency, kind of like a milkshake. And a few reminders, you can save time and energy by using frozen vegetables as well as the fruit, and beans from a can are okay. Just try to get the ones that have no added salt. When it comes to portion sizes, I recommend making a bit more than you think you'll eat. Just in case you're still hungry after your lunch or dinner, you can just get another plate full. It's super important not to restrict your portion sizes when eating these low calorie density meals. I would say that not eating enough at mealtimes is one of the biggest things that derails people's success with this. When you're hungry, you're just that much more likely to reach for the packaged, quick and easy junk foods, especially late at night. All right, that's it for this video. Are you guys liking these videos? I really hope they're helpful, and I try to pack them full of simple, practical, actionable steps that will help you stick with this healthy eating plan long enough that you can achieve your health and weight loss goals as effortlessly as possible. Because when you stick with simple, low-fat plant meals like rice, potatoes, beans, and veggies, the food really does the work for you, and the weight just kind of comes off over the weeks as time goes on its own. All right, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.